A 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck Nepal, killing at least 128 people and injuring over 150. The epicenter was in Jajarkot district. The worst affected districts are Jajarkot and Rukam West, where hundreds of houses have been destroyed. Rescue and relief operations are underway, but have been hampered by difficult terrain and bad weather. Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal, Prachanda, visited the affected areas on Saturday and announced immediate relief and reconstruction. The earthquake is a major setback for Nepal, which is still recovering from a devastating earthquake in 2015.